Welcome to RC4 Wireless, and in today's tech tip, we're going to talk about how to turn off automatic channel selection and designate which channels your 2.4 GHz units will use. Now, for most customers, automatic channel selection is the way to go, but occasionally you want to be able to select your own channels. We're going to use the RC4 Wireless Commander software in conjunction with an X-Stick or another RC4 Wireless device set in dongle mode. For today's demonstration, we're going to use the DMX-IO transceiver, a DMX-PIX Micro XB, and a DMX2 DIMM. In our scenario, we want our DMX-PIX Micro XB to be set to channel 12 and not do automatic channel selection. And in order for it to connect to the DMX-IO transceiver, that also needs to be set for channel 12, not doing automatic channel selection. The great thing is, for every other device connected to this DMX-IO, we can just leave automatic channel selection on and it will automatically find it. So my DMX2 DIMM, I'll just leave automatic channel selection on and it will find the DMX-IO on channel 12. I've got my X-Stick connected to my computer. I'm going to run my setup wizard. We're going to select the X-Stick dongle. We're going to hit next. And now I'm going to select manually selected channel. You could click on any of these boxes to select other channels. In my shop, channel 12 is going to work great, so I'm going to stick with that, and I'm going to hit next. Now this is setting the channel on your X-Stick. We have not changed our devices yet. While doing this, we want to make sure that all of your DMX-IOs that are receiving data are currently off. The DMX-IO I want to change is currently powered up, but there is no DMX data coming into it. And we can see underneath detected devices, I have my DMX2 DIMM, which is currently set up to be a magic clock. And I have my DMX-IO. And we have my DMX-PIX Micro set up to be in a coat. To change what DSSS channel your device will use, you're going to go to the RF Platform and Security tab. And we're going to go and click on every channel that we do not want so it grays out. So now the only channel that is available is channel 12. I'm going to do the same thing for my DMX-IO. I'm going to turn off each channel that I don't want. And there we go. The DMX-IO will be locked in at channel 12. The DMX-PIX Micro will be locked in at channel 12. And then my DMX2 DIMM is still set to automatic channel selection. So my DMX2 DIMM will still be able to find my DMX-IO. And the best thing is, if you decide to add more units to your production, as long as they're set to automatic channel selection, they will be able to find your DMX-IO even though it is locked in the channel 12. Now that we've set our DMX-IO and our DMX-PIX Micro to use channel 12, we can go ahead and close out of Commander, unplug your X-Stick, power off your devices, plug your DMX data back into your DMX-IO, and then power everything back up and everything will work fine. Thanks for joining RC4 Wireless. Make sure you drop a like, ring that bell, and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with new tutorials coming out and how-to videos.